Hello and welcome back to KM Webverse. This is Kashif Mahmood. In this video, I'll show you how to hide or show content inside WooCommerce emails based on order, product, or customer rules. So for that, we will have to go to the dashboard of the website and you will need two plugins that you will need to install. Here I can show you the plugins that we will need. Here you can see I have YayMail Pro and YayMail Conditional Logic plugin both installed. You can install YayMail Pro or YayMail free. So along with that you will need YayMail Conditional Logic to edit the customer emails and to set conditions. After installation you will see a tab over here, YayCommerce, and here you will need to go to YayMail over here. Here you will see all of the emails that WooCommerce sends in your store. You can see they are inactive currently, so I will need to activate the email template in YayMail over here. So I can go to, for example, new order email. I can edit any of these. Here you can see several options over here. You can go to basic or anywhere, and if you want to add an image, for example, an ad, you can add the image over here. You can change the image, and below that you will see this conditional logic option, and you can set a condition. You can add multiple conditions and select all, so that when all of those conditions will match, only then the conditional logic will apply. Or you can choose any. So when you will add multiple conditions, if any of the condition matches, then the image will start showing. And here you can click on it and you can add the condition. So for example, we can add minimum order total 50. So when the order amount will be more than 50 pound, then this image will show. So it can be an ad banner that is only for the customers that purchase for more than 50 pound. So that's how you can add it, and there are several more conditions. For example, billing country. If you want to show an ad only for any specific country, then you can use this condition. You can also choose a product category, any specific product SKU, product attribute. For example, if it's any variation of your product, then you can choose this. You can choose maximum order total, payment method, shipping method, coupon, and so there are several options over here. You can choose any of these options as you want, and below that you can see there are more options as well. For example, if order is placed on weekend, user role, account age. So there are lots of options. You can choose any of these options as you want. For example, I have added this image and I have added minimum order total 50, and I can choose all, and I can add a condition logic. For example, when the billing is set to maybe France, so I can select it. So now all is set. So when both of these conditions will meet, then this image will show. I can also change the image. So here is the image that I want to show, and I can set this template to active, so that this will replace the basic WooCommerce order email. And then I can click on save over here, and I will click on this preview email to see how it will look like. So currently you do not see because the price is 18 over here. We can change the sample order from here. It's now 100 pounds. So let's click on preview email. So you can see the image is now showing over here. So that's how the email will look like. So now let's send our test email. So here you can see the image is showing over here. So that's it for this video. If you need any help, do let me know in the comment section. I have provided the plugin links in the description of the video. My contact details are also provided in the description. So let me know if you need any help related to website development, search engine optimization, or any custom work. So that's it for this video. See you next time.